Let's appreciate God in his life. Easy sax. Easy sax. You know, he used to be my head boy when I was in primary school. Yeah, don't look at him like that. He get plenty money, even though he looks like a small picking toy. But don't worry. Alright, so I want to tell you people something. Where I came from, actually, there are 3 churches in that area. Like, and the 3 churches, they are side by side. They are leg by leg by. Sure you get. So the 3 churches, the funniest thing that they are using shop for the. So they build. You know when somebody builds shop, and the church is not like church 1, church 2, church 3. So most time, if you are trying to come to one church and the usher of another church catch you, they will take you to their church because the church was beside themselves. So it got to a point that when one is singing, the other will be praying and the third one will be preaching. So the landlord called them and was like, okay, I'll get you guys a timekeeper. So once the timekeeper comes, back and prayer time, all of you must be praying. So they started doing that. Then unfortunately for the church at the center, their generator spoiled. So the other 2 churches, they were now using their own voice to overshadow the generator, those that don't have generator. Then, so one day like that, the church at the left, they were now praying that fire, die. So that was how one of the ushers inside the church at the middle climbed the ceiling that she go and tap current from the left church. That's how the left church was shouting that anybody that want to tap out of our glory, out of our current, fall down and die by fire, fall down and die by fire. So that was how the guy fell down from the ceiling and landed in the shop. So they now took him, chained him, and they turned him to prayer warrior in that church. So that was how one of our soccer we now left and escaped. See how all of you sit down. They listen. Now rubbish at the top. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, this time around. So you're actually waiting for an hand. Sorry. I'm really sorry. Then so the soccer way left. So we are trying to do soccer way competition. Then the soccer way was now. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, up to the next one. We're having some dynamic set of people here, and you know, from their clothes you shall know them. So, ladies and gentlemen, we join Christ in our hearts. Let's join hands together as we make welcome Dave Musicals. Now, the only one using face mask, the rest of it, Olu. Where is the lead artist out of the period? Okay, now I want to play keyboard. Okay, make I bring the mic. Hey, God, when? Let's appreciate God in his life, for it's not easy to play keyboard and sing at the same time.